Who knew oil could yield so many valuable treasures? Crude oil, freshly extracted from deep underground, is dark in color, viscous in texture, and from a distance looks no different from soy sauce. But its true worth can only be fully unearthed in a refinery's distillation towers. This multi-meter high distillation tower acts like an oil refinery. By gradually raising the temperature, it uses the boiling point differences of various components to separate crude oil layer by layer. Each temperature zone then yields a completely distinct product. What's first separated from the top of the distillation tower is the lightest liquefied petroleum gas. After being pressurized and filled into steel cylinders, it becomes the essential gas tank for many home kitchens. We actually can't do without it for our daily cooking. The second layer yields the more common liquid gasoline.
Many people mistakenly believe that gasoline is the primary product derived from petroleum. However, in reality, gasoline accounts for only about 20% of the total crude oil. Despite being such a small fraction, it is this very portion that sustains the operation of billions of automobiles worldwide. From the third separation layer, we extract a substance that is not widely known, naphtha. While its name may sound quite unassuming, its practical applications are incredibly diverse and extensive. The synthetic fiber t-shirts that we wear, the plastic bags we use for shopping at the supermarket, the rubber soles on our shoes, and even plastic items like phone cases and computer keyboards all derive their primary raw material from naphtha. The fourth layer that is separated out is kerosene. It is significantly more stable than gasoline, not easily volatile, and much more resilient. Precisely because of these unique characteristics, it has become the exclusive fuel for all aircraft engines. Whenever we take a flight on an airplane, the turbofan engines roaring beneath the wings are burning kerosene fuel. Compared to highly active and volatile gasoline, kerosene is able to maintain a very stable combustion within the complex environment of high altitudes, ensuring the safety of hundreds of passengers on board. The substance separated at the fifth layer is diesel, which accounts for more than 30% of the total volume of crude oil. With its powerful engines, fuel efficiency, and cost effectiveness, it has become the very lifeblood of heavy industry. Tractors plowing fields, excavators roaring on construction sites, heavy trucks speeding on highways, and massive cargo ships sailing the oceans. Almost all heavy machinery and large vehicles rely on diesel. Should diesel supply be interrupted, the entire industrial and logistics system would be paralyzed. The sixth layer yields heavy oil with a viscosity like malt syrup. Ordinary people barely touch it, yet it's the lifeblood of huge power plants and ocean-going vessels. Heavy fuel oil has a high energy density and is inexpensive. Although its viscous texture makes it difficult to ignite, requiring processes like thermal melting and impurity removal before use, it's still the optimal choice for large equipment, prioritizing economic efficiency. This seventh layer yields the lubricating oil we're all familiar with. The engine oil added during car maintenance and the indispensable lubricant for large factory equipment operation all come from right here. When metal components rub at high speeds, it's entirely thanks to the thin oil film formed by lubricants that wear is reduced. Without this, even the most costly machines will quickly wear out and become useless. It acts like the guardian angel of all machinery, silently protecting the normal operation of various types of equipment. Finally, at the bottom of the distillation tower, the heaviest and darkest asphalt settles. It may seem insignificant, but it's the cornerstone of our daily commutes. The asphalt roads we drive on every day and bridge waterproofing projects all depend on asphalt support. It's fair to say that oil is no longer merely a simple fuel. It's more akin to the very lifeblood of modern existence, sustaining the operations of countless sectors such as fashion, healthcare, agriculture, construction, and electronics. Therefore, should humanity ever lose its access to oil, our entire contemporary society would inevitably come to a complete standstill.